Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to share with you how to use Lightroom Preset. I use Lightroom a lot when I was still taking static photos for Instagram. So I want to share with you how you can use presets to make your photos more aesthetic or cohesive on Instagram. So I personally use the Lightroom mobile app a lot more than the desktop version because I spend more time editing my photos on my phone. You are able to purchase a subscription for Lightroom and use it on both the computer and your phone. You do have to subscribe to the paid version to be able to sync your phone and your computer, but it's very convenient. They do have a pretty decent cloud storage capacity for you to store your photos. So if you're doing this in the long run, it may be worth considering. I don't really use Lightroom in terms of professional photo editing. You can obviously do. If you are a professional photographer, you probably won't be watching this video. But anyways, let me show it to you on my phone. So preset is basically a parameters that you edit a certain style of photo and you can save all those parameters to be applied to your other photos. To save a photo as a preset, so let's say you have this photo you took with your regular camera, you load it into your phone, do all the edit, you press these three dots and it will say create preset. Now you can see all the editing parameters of all the light, color, effect. You can give it a name, say testing, preset, water shot. You can also create different groups of presets for your phone. If you check mark it, then your parameter is saved as a preset. Now, I'm not a professional photographer, so most of the time I don't really manually edit my photo. Well, sometimes I do, but I'm not to a point that I can say my editing is professional grade. If you're not good at editing photo, you can go on Etsy or just Google it, Lightroom Preset. You can buy package of presets for yourself. So I bought most of my presets on Etsy. Based on your style, the aesthetic that you're looking for, you can find different type of packages. They usually come with 3 up to like 12 photos in a whole set. So here are some of the presets that I purchased. After you purchase the preset, you are able to download it into your phone. It will come in a special format for a preset. You're going to do it the same way that I show you. Save that photo as a preset. Say I have the photo here that I want to edit using the preset that I have saved. All you need to do is open up the photo, press the preset button, and then you can choose different kind of presets for that photo. Pick the preset and see which one looks good to you. Remember that when you purchase a preset, they give you a preset in a similar aesthetic, but with different parameters. Depending on the quality of your photo, different preset applied to it can have different results. That's why it's good to buy presets that have like 6 or 9 photos so you can try it out and see which one looks good on your photo. So what I do is usually just pick different presets, apply to it and see which one looks good. Once I'm okay with the preset, click the check mark to save and then you can export the photo and use it wherever you want. Yeah, so that's about it. That's how you use Lightroom Preset. I hope it's helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks for tuning in today. I'll see you in the next video.